Yep, got my 1/10 drift key today and I took it for a spin. It's pretty cool. Even though I never drifted before, it's really nice. And the delivery was on schedule. There were no complications. It's pretty cool. Let me just show the inside. Even though you guys already seen this before. Pretty cool. Easy to set. It's kind of different of the ones that I seen on YouTube. But you know, got my drift there. So I just want to let you guys see this real quick. I want to know what kind of batteries you guys recommend. This is what came with the car. Pretty alright. Only took 2 hours to charge it. Overall, it's pretty cool. I got the Mustang body, and I ordered a Toyota Trueno because I used to have that. I used to drive that car before, and got nostalgic when I saw it on the website. So I said, let me go get it. I'll show it to you in a minute. Yeah, this is pretty cool car. Only minor adjustment that I had to do when I got it was the steering. Corrected it, and then now it's running straight forward.